Okay children, today we are going to learn indices. First we have to discuss the parts of a power. We know this one is the base, this one is the index, and if we take this one and this one together, we can say this one is our power. Base, index, this one, and this whole part is called as the power. And we can read this one as 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. And how can we find the value of 3 to the power 4? This one is not equal to 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. But this one is wrong. We can find the value of 3 to the power 4 by expanding this one. We know there are 4 3's. Then we can expand this like this. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we can find the value. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 27 times 3 is 81. So the value of 3 to the power 4 is 81. Okay, how can we expand these indices? We can expand this. We know how to expand this one. 3 to the power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. And this one, 3 to the power 2, x to the power 2, y to the power 3. Then 3 to the power 2 is 3 into 3. There are, because this index is 2, we have to write 2 3's. X to the power 2, then 2x. And y to the power 3. We have to write y 3 times. Then 5 to the power 3 is 5 into 5 into 5. A to the power 3, A into A into A. B to the power 2 is B into B. And C to the power, this index is 1. Only 1 C. Then 2 to the power 5, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And P to the power 3 is P into P into P. And Q into 1, this index is 1 into Z. Now this one is the reverse process of the previous one. Now I have given you the expanded form. Then you have to write this one in the index notation. 3 into 3 into 3. This one can be written as 3 to the power 3. There are 3 3's, then 3 to the power 3. Now in this there are 2 bases, 5 and 7, then 5 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to the power 4 into 7 to the power 2. This one 1, 2. 6 to the power 2 into, there is only 1x. Y into y, y to the power 2, and t into t, t to the power 2. In here we can write this one in this form. We can remove this multiplication symbol because there are letters. Then we can remove these multiplication symbols. Then we can write 6 to the power 2 x and y square and t square. We know these bases are connected with the multiplication symbol. In this case we can write, now I am going to write this one in this form. 2 to the power 2, 1, 2, 8 to the power 2, 1, 2, 3, b to the power 3. Right? We can write this expanded form in the index notation. And the last thing is, you have given the number and you have to write it as in the index notation. The topic is this one. We have to write these numbers in index notation with the prime numbers as the base. We can use only the prime numbers as the base. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. We have discussed what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which consist of only 2 factors. Then we can use the division method. 36. First we can divide this one by 2. Then 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 remains. We can write the remaining one at here. Then 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Again we can divide by this by 2. Then 9. Now we cannot divide by 9 by 2. Then we can divide 9 by 3. Then 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we can stop because we obtain 1. Then we can write this one as 2 into 3 into 3 is, index notation is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. And this one 256, first we can divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 1. 5 divided by 2 2. 1 remains. We have to take 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Again we can divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Again divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again we can divide by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1. 1 remains. Then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Again we can divide 2 is 8. Again 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this one can be written as 2 to the power 8. Now you can do your review exercise of the 10th lesson.